Minister, I'm glad you're taking this question because it's in relation to an area where we know the cost but not the value. So home care hours, and all over the country it's a crisis. But I'm focusing in on Galway because the battle there in the first instance, and it's a twin crisis, is to get enough hours allocated. But then when they're allocated, there are no home carers. And you probably haven't it before you, but certainly the Taoiseach has, and numerous other people, including all the TDs in the area, a doctor in Connemara, most unusual, going on paper telling us that he's seriously worried about the situation, and itemised one example, somebody with dementia, no care hours allocated but nobody, and on top of that seriously concerned about the son who's looking after her. That's just one example.
Deputy, we absolutely appreciate the value of it and the difference that it makes to families who need this support at very vulnerable and difficult times. The Department of Health has allocated a very large additional budget to provide more home help hours across our country. But as the Deputy may be aware, the challenge that we are facing at the moment is recruiting the staff that are needed to provide this work and provide this care. I will have to follow up on the specific matter that you've raised within your own city and constituency to give you the answer that it deserves about the local issue that you've raised with me.